Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate any and all support that I get from you guys. It really makes my day and helps my channel grow, and it is appreciated. Today we are going to be doing a look with the BFF palette from BH Cosmetics, and it's Alondra and LZ. And it is a really pretty palette. Easy for me to hold on to, but it's really pretty. And I'm going to do just a few swatches, get an idea of how the formula are. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. That's like a duochrome right there called Messy. It's got a good shift to it. Very cool. So it looks like it's gonna have some good payoff. And let's get into a look. And this is a 20 pan palette. And let's see where I want to start. I think I'm going to start with Bon Appetit. Mwah! Bon Appetit. Have a good bone. Oh my God, I'm losing it. Ladies and gentlemen, Rhonda is losing it. Woo! Party. There's not very much kick up in the palette. And this is pretty much the same color as my flesh. All right, so now we have a color that looks just like my skin. Let's get in here. And let's do something pretty. There's so many pretty blues in here. But I'm gonna go into, so hard to choose, into Pop Off, this little pinky color. And it is a beautiful shimmer. Now I'm going to go into, I'm going to say Messy because it's so pretty. It grabbed my attention right away. I'm going to need a different brush for that. Because sometimes shimmers need more of a flat brush than a fluffy brush. And that is super soft and pretty. There's a little kick up in the pan, but that is a pretty soft color, and you can see how I had to dig into it just a little bit to get it to do something. And even though it's got a little shift of green, it just shows up as a brown to you guys. So now I'm going to go in with, there's so many colors. I think I'm going to go in with this blue. It's so bright. That is looking really cool with the brown. I think I need to soften it up on this side just a little. Make it a little more even that way. Let's see. And I think I'm going to go in with You're Sick. Oh, that's really pretty. That was a really pretty look. Let's blend this out a little bit. That's pretty. Now I'm going to do some liner with the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. This is such a cute look. A little pop of blue really makes it sizzle. I'm going to do mascara with the Fetish Eyes from Pat McGrath. I still think this is a little heavy on this side. That's better. Whew. So I just need to do my lips now with something very pretty. I think I will use Androgyny. And that's a really beautiful color from Jeffree Star. And that is it. That is my look. My first impression with the BFF palette from BH Cosmetics. I hope you've had a great day so far. And have a great day.